Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rent cars on the Klook application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on the home button and tap on cars at the top. After that you should select car rentals at the top, then domestic or international. Then you should select your city, type it in into the search bar and select your pickup location. Then you should select your pickup time and drop-off time and tap on the button search. Now you need to wait a few seconds till it loads in, and here you can find the relevant options, so tap on the one that you are interested in, check out the details, and if you find it appropriate, then you can tap on the button continue and finalize the process of renting the car. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.